Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the skin. Wipe the area with alcohol and let it dry for 30 to 60 seconds so the sticker adheres properly. While it dries, pick a design that fits the intended hand zone, finger, back of hand, or wrist, and trim excess paper with scissors. Once done, position tools within reach. Tweezers help you place the sticker precisely, and a cotton swab will smooth edges. This setup reduces bubbling and ensures clean transfer when you press the sticker down. You peel the backing slowly using tweezers and align the design over the desired spot. Alignment matters because once it sticks, repositioning can smudge. Then press from the center outward to force out air and prevent wrinkles, making small circular motions with a cotton swab to secure edges. Once applied, hold steady for 2 to 3 minutes to let the adhesive set. This improves longevity and transfer. Make sure to keep your hand relaxed and avoid flexing the skin while it bonds. You finish by sealing the sticker with a clear top coat or a light oil. This adds protection and prevents early peeling, so apply a thin layer and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Trim any excess paper carefully with small scissors and clean edges with a damp cotton tip if needed. If a corner lifts, press firmly again or apply a tiny drop of cosmetic adhesive. If stubborn, warm the area briefly with your palm to reactivate tackiness. This secures the design and gives a polished look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.